Good morning, guys. It's 9:45 on the 12th, 13th of July. Okay, so then we'll lose track of time. The weekend is over. I'm pretty tired. All the last night was yesterday I came through, but I'm still pretty tired because my sleep was affected for the last few days. So I did catch up on about 7 hours, 40 minutes of sleep, but that's still not enough. So I think about two hours more. Even 1 hour more today and a good night's sleep tonight should kind of do the trick. So I'm heading to the gym now, and after that there's a lot of stuff to do today. In the evening I'll do swimming, so I cancelled the 5 p.m. class, now rescheduled because I got up on time, so there's no reason to cram the evening up. So I will do the deadlifts now and I'll do swimming in the evening. That's the plan. I'll catch you.
कहीं ना कहीं दर्द होती रहती है, ऐसा नहीं होता दर्द ना हो जाए. Like but neck was stiff about a week back, really stiff. The neck kind of healed over the last week. Today stiff again. So it's stiff. I can't move it. I can't bloody move it. My neck is stiff. कहीं ना कहीं बॉडी में दर्द होती रहती है. ऐसा होता नहीं दर्द ना हो. My neck is so fucking stiff. I can't move it like clockwork without feeling pain.
So today is the neck paining, guys. It's the neck that's paining today. Today is the neck pain day. I did deadlifts. Some weird thing happened, like one of my gloves that I use for deadlifts suddenly it's disappeared from my bag. I mean, last week I did Romanian deadlifts in this gym only, in 56 only, and now the gloves are missing. Now I reached in the class, then I tried to find my gloves, take out my gloves because it was deadlifts, and there were no gloves. Then I chanoed the bag, there were no gloves. Then I asked the housekeeping staff, which is a woman, and she listened to me so carefully as if she knew. She's like, yeah. And the moment I said, these are the gloves, these are the description, and she's like, nahi dekhe maine. So gloves mile nahi. Then I tried to lift the bar, 115 kilos, without the gloves. So I had other gloves which I haven't used yet because they're very difficult to use. The gloves that I was using, which has got misplaced now, are very comfortable to use, and I've been using them for like a few years now. Chaitanya had recommended, and they were perfect. And now I had these other pair of gloves which I haven't used because it's not very comfortable. You have to wrap it around. It's not very easy to wrap them. I asked the trainer's help to wrap them like a couple of times. Then I was feeling awkward and embarrassed to ask him one more time, but I asked him again. But I didn't ask him again. I kind of tried to wrap them myself, and I managed to wrap them loosely, but I managed to wrap them. So I did like 3 reps of 115 kgs comfortably with the new gloves myself. Without the gloves I tried to do also, but the bar, I lifted the bar, it fell off twice. It just fell off. I just couldn't hold it because I'm so used to doing deadlifts with but 115 kg deadlift there. My max is 125, which I did the master deadlift session. I would have done 125 today also, but my gloves are missing, and I really like those gloves, so I'll have to order fresh gloves. I'll let you see if they're somewhere here. If they're not here, I'll have to order those gloves because I'm so used to them, and they are the reason, my grip is so good, and that I'm able to, because grip is very important in a deadlift. Grip is very important in a deadlift because you're lifting a bar that is like, the bar is 15 kilos, and if it's 125 kilos, I'm lifting a bar that is 110 kilos on it. So even today, for example, I'm lifting a bar which is 100 kilos on it, 15 kilos bar which is 100 kilos on it. So the grip in a deadlift is very important. So some people do it without a support like gloves, but I need the grip and support. So anyhow, I did it with the gloves. Vikas saw me when he helped me put the gloves on. Then he saw me that the problem with the gloves, I just can't do it because I'd already dropped the bar twice without the gloves. So the gloves I put on, he was watching me, and I smoothly lifted the bar. So yeah, it was the gloves. So the whole class. Because it was the gloves, right? So late now. Yesterday I had my dinner at 7:15, which is the earliest I've had dinner in like months. Right, 7:15 is really good. Really good time to have dinner. So 11:15 now. 7 plus 4, 16 hours passed already. So I think by the time I take a shower and I eat, it'll be 11:45. 16.5 hours passed. I have some food that's left that my mom had made, plus I'll make some omelette. That's what I'll do. I'll catch up for the US. Okay, try to be happy. That's something I'll keep telling you guys all the time. Try to be happy. Try to be happy. Did the 115 deadlift make me happy? Yes. So you become happy by doing hard shit.
Hey guys, so life changes, right? And the day has not gone as per the expectations I had in the morning. In the morning, the plans were to do swimming in the evening, and the deadlift also. The plan was pretty sudden in the morning. So I did deadlifts in the morning, 115 kilos, which I spoke about in the morning, and evening the plan was to do swimming, 6 to 7, 7 to 8 at the Sector 42 Ambience pool, swimming pool that I went on yesterday. Yeah, I went on yesterday, but I had no energy. I'm still very tired. And secondly, I recovered last night with 7 hours and 40 minutes of sleep, and then I hit a deadlift session and I deadlifted several reps of 115. So I got really tired again. I tried to sleep again in the afternoon. I tried to work also in the afternoon, but somehow my body didn't respond. So I changed the schedule. I cancelled the 7 p.m. swimming class. I thought I'll attend the one class only 6 p.m. Otherwise my dinner will get late. Then I cancelled the 6 p.m. one also. I was too lazy to go to Sector 43. Because if I drove, then I would get stuck in the office hour jam. And if I went by metro, then I would have to walk a lot or take an auto or whatever, and I had no energy to do that. So I cancelled the 6 p.m. class also, and then saw what can I do. So suddenly that was what 4:10 p.m. and I checked the schedule. There was a dance class available at 4:30. So I attended the 4:30 dance class, 4:30, 5:30, and I got really hungry. So I'm in the market right now because I skipped lunch. After breakfast, I haven't had anything, so I skipped lunch, and so breakfast was at about 11:45 something, and it's been about 7 hours, and I haven't eaten anything since then besides some like chup snacks. So I'm really hungry right now. So I'm in the market, and I've ordered a butter roti and some chicken. In the evening, the cafe, the show happens, I'll have eggs. So that's a plan. Protein is a plan for the rest of the day, because I've had carbs. I've had rice and potato, whatever, for the morning. So the carbs are enough for the day. And I've also saw a video about some nutritionist, some old lady, talking about the order in which you should have food. So she said you should have fiber first, followed by protein, followed by fats, and followed by carbs. So I'm also going to do that. But the schedule changed, and I hope the show happens. The show happens fine. Initially there were no spots, but now the show is full. 6 spots in all, as usual. So the show happens, and I'll go to the show. I'll have eggs, and again I'll try to sleep on time tonight, so that because the circadian rhythm is not allowing me to sleep during the day. So I'll plan to sleep again on time, so that again about 7 to 8 hours to sleep. So that's the plan now. So catch you later. Hopefully close the show as the show happens, and try to be happy. Okay. Guys, so I've been working out for quite a while, right? And I have learned some things about working out. I do yoga, I do weights, I do running, I do swimming, I do dance, I do everything. I do the whole bag, right? And I've also bought a TT bag recently, because that's one of the games I used to love in my early 20s. And I'm going to try that. I'm also going to try squash. So anyway, so the point I'm trying to make in this story is that if you want to trying to be fit, the definition of a fit body is that it's lean, and it's strong, and it's flexible, right? So weights make you strong, yoga makes you flexible, and dance makes you fit, in a cardiovascular way. So do all of them, alright? Do all of them. Hey guys, meditate over a lot of ideas, complex ideas, over a period of time, and then I reach a conclusion, okay? And I'll tell you about this conclusion that I've just reached. love is something that you can't get over with. प्यार वो चीज़ होती है जिससे मन नहीं भरता. For example, this song by Rabi Shekil, Tere Bin. I've heard this song hundreds, if not thousands of times. मेरा मन नहीं भरता. There is a song बोलना हल्के हल्के, मेरा मन नहीं भरता. There's food I love, जिससे मेरा मन नहीं भरता. There are people I just can't get enough of, you know. मेरा मन नहीं भरता उनसे. प्यार वो चीज़ होती है जिससे आपका मन नहीं भरता. अगर आपका मन भर रहा है ना या भर गया है तो प्यार कभी खाई नहीं. Hey guys, the day review for whatever date it is today, 13th of July, and it's early because I want to sleep on time today also. I've already done the show and there was this good audience, but there's this one family, one old couple and their kids, and I made that guy who would come to watch comedy for the first time, I made him laugh, I made his kids laugh a lot. I'm fucking amazing, man. You know, when I get on stage and I start doing crowd work and I start doing jokes, especially my crowd work is crazy, and I do it respectfully and I really make people laugh. So I'm very happy with the show. That's one. Secondly, although I was very tired from the weekend still and I couldn't do a lot of stuff that I was supposed to work on, I'll hopefully do it tomorrow, day after, whatever. But I did manage to sleep for 7 hours 40 minutes last night, and I also did deadlifts, 115 kg 6 reps in the morning. Then I had scheduled swimming in the evening, which I had to cancel because I was too tired for it, because I had to go to a different center. So I did dance instead, right? So deadlifts and dance. Pretty happy with the gym. Rested. I need to really sleep tonight as well, so that you know, I'm properly rested and recovered. Then I'll work on the shit I need to supposed to work. 7.5, I guess. I'm pretty happy right now. I'm feeling upbeat, I guess, because of the rest and overall. So try to be happy. Good night. Bye.